In this video, we try to explain all the details about this property like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the property and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. There is landmark directions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.4, which is a very good. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details we provided, information about the cuisine, menus, open for private redemptions. Room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and amenities, etc. Room category second. Room category third. Room category fourth. Category fifth. Room category sixth. Category seventh. Room category eighth. Category 9. Category 10. Category 11th. Category 12th. Category 13. Category 14. Next we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen 48 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is found in guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 2 p.m. The checkout time is 11 a.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can contact us by commenting. We will help you. For more details, check link in the description. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel